What I want to talk about is, well, it's political, but political for a good reason. Like, I'm actually going to give a politician credit here for doing something. Um, but what he's doing is essentially giving people without 4-year college degrees opportunities at government jobs that previously required one. So we're going from a really interesting, innovative system made by some PhDs in Southern California to me saying, "See, look, you don't need all those fancy degrees."
But this is interesting that we've advocated on here that there's a lot of jobs out there that can be done without a college degree. So why saddle somebody with $100,000 worth of student loan debt for a degree they really don't need once you get out there and you can just get trained on these jobs? And now we have someone who's in a real position who heard our podcast apparently, and he's done exactly what we've asked.
Yeah, yeah. So apparently, Governor Hogan of Maryland listens to our podcast all the time. And shout out Governor Hogan, who probably isn't listening to this, but it'd be rad if he was. but yeah, we are of the micro mentality here of you should be rewarded for hard work, not how long or how much you've studied over a 4-year period of time.